Hello viewers! Welcome back to our another video. And ang content natin for today is Katalinuhan Challenge! Game ka na ba?
Game na!
At ang matatalo, susubsok ang mukha sa unan with pulbo. May magtatanong, paunahan makasagot ng tama. Minsan lang dapat sumagot pag mali ang sagot. First question. Who is the Greek god of the sea?
Poseidon.
Next. Which organ in the human body filters kidney? What is the third planet from the sun?
Mars.
Earth. How many seconds are there in a 60.
1 hour daw yun, 1 hour.
1
1 hour.
minute. What is the largest planet's name?
Saturn. Name Jupiter. Ay, di ba isang sagot lang?
Ay, oo nga. Madaya to, guys. What is the national dish of the Philippines? Adobo.
Anong adobo?
Adobo baboy.
Isda.
Alam mo adobo, isda ba? Alam mo sa adobo. Who was the longest serving president of the Philippines?
Ferdinand Marcos. Anong Marcos? May bongbong Marcos. Marcos Sr. yun, Ferdinand Marcos Sr.
Kaya nga Marcos. Who developed the theory of relativity? Aghahang ka, boy. Theory of. Which element has the chemical symbol Na?
Sodium.
How many bones are 206
Hindi pa tapos yung question.
in the human body?
In the animals.
What part of the human brain controls balance? Cerebellum.
Cerebellum yun.
What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Carbon
Oxygen.
dioxide. Nitrogen. Which vitamin is mainly produced when human skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the square root of 225? 10. 12.
Ba't sagot ka na sagot?
Sorry.
15.
Mat nga ni. What is the next prime number after 97?
101.
Sorry. What is the next prime number after 11? 14.
15. Ay, 13.
13.
Oo.
If x equals 3, what is the value of 2x plus 5? Ala?
11.
15 na?
11. Oh, matatay na.
Bahagunat ka!
Matatay na ako eh.
Blood in the human body.
Ano?
Which organ pumps blood in
Heart.
the human? Next. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin! Oh, sige, kumain ka. Kain ka na. Dali, dali. Which blood cells fight infections? Red blood cell. Excuse me.